top 2 deals for this Memorial Week. Again, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way to roast the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, we got a chainsaw sharpener. Never seen this sharpener before. It is a 12 volts AC electronics, $40. Like I said, never seen this style before. I personally use just a file type. You got the buy more, save more. They're still effective. 550, save 175. You spend 450, save 100. So spend 350, save 50. So pretty good. Lots of stuff to choose from. OPE from Milwaukee. They got these on clearance for $21, and then they got the blue ones for $24. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Some more clearance items. Lots of clearance here at this section. We're just going to go over a few items here. Alright, to start here, we got actually at the very bottom, we got these batteries, $9 down from $17. That's actually a pretty good price. $9 down from 14 of these. This the bigger ones. Let's see what else they have. They have a vacuum. Remember, guys, this vacuum was $199. Now it's down to $149. So definitely check it out. It does come with the battery and charger. So definitely jump on that one. It's very similar to the Milwaukee one. I think it's a little bit better organized, to tell the truth. You got the $12 down from 14 for the jab saws, and then you got a plate, pack out plate. This one's $59. Make sure you guys double check these prices, because sometimes they could be pennies, they could be dollars. You never know. So double check with your associates. Make sure they scan it on the tool, on their own tool, like the Home Depot phone, not their phone, not the internet phone, because they got two different. $159 for this nailer. It's a 1 3/4 nailer, roofing nailer. Nikita. You got a hammer drill, 2 batteries, 750 inch-pounds. You got a fastback with some blade replacement blade, 75 piece, $19. You got an inflator for $29.88, 12-volt wired inflator. You got a 16-piece wrench rack, $34.97. So you guys have a look right here. That's the way it looks. It's like an organizer basically for your wrenches. You got another inflator there for $29. A light for $149. And then you got a circular saw for $99. I believe that is a kit. It's come with battery and charger. You got this sprayer for $199. Nobody wants these sprayers. I don't know why they have a whole bunch of these. Then they got this cleaning. It's like a cleaning gutter, universal. So you can pretty much put it to any attachment. Guys, if you guys haven't watched my Milwaukee buy one get one free videos, the brand new deals that just dropped, make sure you guys watch that. I do have a separate video on that, so you make sure you guys check that out. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, go to my channel and I'll go over all the Milwaukee deals. We got the buy one get one free. These are 40-volt tools, by the way. These are XGT. They are the gray line of top of the line of Makita. This is a brand new line that not brand new line, but a newer line. These are 18 volts, just the standard. $3.99 will get you 2 free tools. So impact driver and drill driver, top of the line right there. $89 for those 2 batteries, and then $99 for this kit. They did not have any of this available, but they do have this buy one of these and get a free battery. So you buy any of the tools on the left, including that nailer, or actually the stapler, die grinder, installation driver. You got the ratchet oscillating tool and get a free battery. So that's a pretty good deal. And there you are able to hack those two as well. So $3.99 or $2.99 will get you a pair of 2 5s for free. Remember, guys, you guys could return those batteries and get those kits for a much discounted price. $139 for the hammer drill or the compact router. $179 for the reciprocating saw, circular saw, angle grinder, or the jigsaw. You got those impact rated sockets, $19.97. That's our nice kit there. And this is the 40 volt XGT. This is the one that I was telling you guys about. It is the gray line. So that's how you can tell the difference in between that and the 18 volt. It says XGT 40 volt there. Guys, if you guys don't know the new deals, the new hacks, The new buy one get one free from DeWalt already dropped online. I do have a video on that. Make sure you guys double check that, and you guys don't miss any of those deals. Those are killer deals, much better deals than these. Well, actually, it depends on what you want to put it. Some of these are pretty good. They are not there. Some of them that are there, you get much better deals on the other one. So $499 for that big combo kit, and $229 for the 5 amp hour and the 1.7 power stack batteries. Like I said, make sure you guys check out my channel. There's a lot of stuff coming out this week. This Memorial weekend, there's a whole bunch of stuff dropped. Make sure you guys go on over to my channel and check out those videos. I have a whole bunch of videos dropping this weekend or this week. So $499 for this big tool combo kit there. And same thing with Ryobi, guys. I have a whole video just on Ryobi. If you want to check it out, they have an upper tier and a bottom tier. This is the lower tier for $99, and then they got an upper tier, and then you get a free tool. So I go on over all the tools in detail and all the kits. Make sure you guys check that out, and I'll see if I can leave a link down below in the description section. All right, we got this mower, guys. 378 is a 36 volt tool, and down from 629. That is the item number. Make sure you guys look at that up at your Home Depot. This is a killer deal, guys. This is 21-inch self-propelled, 4 batteries included. So all the bells and whistles on this thing. It's a beast. Go check it out, guys. You know, Makita makes a killer mowers. All right, so $17.99 for the 5x8 trailer. This is actually not a bad little trailer. I'm pretty much looking at trailers, see if I want to get one of these, guys. That's it, just a short video. Like I said, I got other videos. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll see if I can leave links up above or on the description section of this video or on the comments. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. You guys have a great holiday weekend. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.